So hi, I'm in the country today showing you this lovely home for $268,990. If you're looking for a little bit more country but still close to everything, this is a nice little house in Grifton we can talk about. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's not that old and it's been recently remodeled. So we're going to go inside. You do have this large driveway, so you can definitely fit a couple cars, 2, 3, even 4 cars if you need to right here. So plenty of room. Then you also have definitely a place where you can have your rocking chair to sit out here, your patio chairs, and meet all your neighbors in this lovely little home with these cute little blue vinyl, blue everything. So we go on inside, and you do have a nice open concept area. You can see the kitchen is right away. Obviously, this is where you're going to put your dining room table as well. So there's, you're in your kitchen.
Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and get notified.
Also, you call text all the time, 252-327-3357. We love talking to you. Don't be shy. Also, grab our buyer's guide and seller's guide in the description below.
Washing your dishes, looking out to your back patio. You have your oven. You have your dishwasher, your refrigerator. So you have lots of open space. And then obviously you're meant to put a table here so you can enjoy going outside. Before we take you to the backyard, which is the next thing to talk about, here is your living area. You can definitely see this is where you would have your TV over on this wall or this wall, depending on where. You can have an L-shaped room, and it's a very large room. You could honestly have 2 sections. So this could be the TV area. This could be the reading area. You could have one massive room where everybody's sitting around together, and it's just a nice big space to where you can really get everything done. And there's 2 fans in here, so you will always be nice and cool with all this sun. Before we go into the rest of the house, I will point out there is a water heater. The water heater is here. And then we go outside to the back patio. Back patio has a nice sitting area to where you can actually sit down and enjoy your outside. And you do have a lot of space. If you are looking for a backyard with space, the HVAC is not that old, and you're having a nice little deck area. Now let's go into the house itself. So I'm really excited to show you, because you're wondering where the bedrooms are, I'm sure. So here, of course, is the closet. This is where your HVAC system is. Here is the first bathroom. So guests would, or kids would use this bathroom. The first bedroom right here. Double doors for the closet, and it's a very big closet, so you have plenty of space in the double doors. And just open here as well. Then we move on to the next room. Small little hallway, but nice. Second room over here. Second bedroom does have 1 door, but it is still a decent sized closet. And of course your electrical panel is here. You can see everything is fully listed. They're all 30s and 15s. So decent. Wondering where the washer and dryer would go? They would go here in the washer dryer room. So you can just bring your own washer dryer. And then here is the primary living. Now, it's in a couple sections. This is the walk-in closet, and it is a very long walk-in closet. And notice how bright this room is as well. Here, I would personally put my bed here. Where I'm standing, the bed would be here. I would have some chairs over there. I would have my bureaus over here. And then here is the primary bathroom. It is a shower tub combo. Simple, but everything is done. And what I love about this house is how light and airy this whole thing is. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows in this room. So you have plenty of way to get natural light, plenty of way to really, really enjoy living a little bit more in the country, but super close to Greenville if you're looking for $268,900. So please don't forget to call us at Alan Victoria, 252-327-3357. Talk to you soon.